With our thermal unit, all technology is built into one system. That also makes it easy to exchange it for service and maintenance purposes. This results in the following advantages. In case of a failure, you can swap the thermal unit within minutes, and that means that the vehicle remains operational instead of it having to wait at the repair shop. This only works, of course, if you have spare to use on stock. To place this thermal unit back into the box, you have to take the following steps. Lift up the thermal unit and position it in front of the mounting hole. Position it into the profile on the body. Flip it forwards into the mounting hole. Screw the bolts. Connect the 12-volt cable and then the mains cable.